All right, today we have this ancient machine, Toshiba. We get a Satellite Pro 4600. It doesn't even have a mouse pad, it has the mouse button. Let's try and see if we can jumpstart it. I have a hard drive. It has even like a different connector. Okay. Obviously, it probably doesn't have any battery. I can't even see the on-off button for it. It's here. We need to find a charger. Let's see. Oh, we have a green light here. Something is happening. Oh, Windows 98. How lovely. Here we go. A trusty, amazing Windows 98.